Welcome for Technical Prasen 9 channel. Xiaomi Mi 9 mobile smartphone. Technology GCM CDMA HSP LT 2G band, 3G bands, 4G bands. Speed HSP ALT EA GPRS EDG. Launch announced 2019 February. Status available release 2019 March. Body dimension 157. Aluminum frame, SIM dual SIM, nano SIM dual standby, display type Super AMOLED, capacitive touch screen, 16 color, size 6.39 inch, resolution 1080 into 2340 pixels, and production Corning Gorilla Glass 6. Platform OS Android 9 P MIUI 10, chips Qualcomm Snapdragon 855, Snapdragon 855, CPU octa-core 3.1 into 2.84 GHz, Scorpio 485, GPU Adreno 640, card slot internal 64 GB and 6 GB 8 GB RAM, 128 GB internal memory. Main camera triple camera 48 megapixel and laser 16 megapixel and 12 megapixel triple rear camera. Features dual LED flash, HDR video resolution, selfie camera, 20 megapixel camera, HDR, loudspeaker, console and Bluetooth 5.0 voltage, aptX HD, GPS, NFC radio. Features sensor, fingerprint sensor under display, accelerometer, gyroscope, proximity compass, messaging, browser, HTML5, battery charging, non-removable LiPo 3300 mAh battery charging, fast battery charging 27 watt, quick charger 4 plus, fast wireless charging 20 watt. Color